Good morning, everyone. It's your boy Ethan. Hope you're having a great day. Today, I'm bringing the camera along. We're doing a little day in the life. When I say good morning, I don't actually mean the morning. My schedule has been ridiculous for the past week and a half here in Vegas. It's still, right now it's June something, June 10th, June 11th. We're starting off the day. I'm not proud to say it, but it's this time. If you can read it, 2:20 p.m. The days have been ridiculous, bringing you guys along, but we're starting off the day with some breakfast, some broccoli, some corn, gonna make some chicken, gotta prepare some food. We have the bracelet event today. Again, I'm streaming every single one. And yeah, been playing a lot of poker. I'm gonna bring this camera along with you guys for a little day in the life of Vegas because it's been hectic, it's been a lot. But the view of Encore in Resorts World looks pretty nice. The window is pretty dirty, I will say that, but we've got some chicken. Let me slap that on there. Gotta make some food, and yeah, we're gonna stream the WSOP today. I'm gonna play probably another cash session as I always do. It's been a lot bringing you guys along. Let's get it. So, I'll have to say, my schedule so far has been absurd. Oh my god, this is the fattest piece of chicken. I don't even know what I ordered. Look how fat this thing is. Throw that on the pan because that's all we got to work with here. But yeah, my schedule's been ridiculous recently. It's been absolutely insane, let me tell you. So for the past week or so, I've been at my own place by myself, and we're here for a month for one reason, and it's to grind in Vegas. So this in-between time, I have a few friends coming later this month. My girlfriend just left. Past week, Grind City, and the games in Vegas are good. We're here to play poker, we're here to make content and grind for a bracelet. So every single day, there's been a bracelet event from July 1st, July 14th, 14 straight days of streaming. Today is July 11th, so today will be the 11th straight day of streaming. And on top of that, we have to play poker for the vlogs as well. So the tournament starts at 3 o'clock. We late reg around 4:30. And then whenever the tournament ends, whenever we bust out, we gotta go play some cash after that as well. So I usually walk to the Wynn or Resorts World. We mix in one session, sometimes two. And when you play 1 or 2 sessions at night, and the session starts at either 10 p.m. or midnight, you get home pretty late. And I've been going to bed at some ridiculous hours like 5 p.m. Pacific time. Being from the East Coast, that's essentially me going to bed at 8 a.m. Not the best schedule for life. So for now, we're going to make some food. Welcome to the Chef Ethan special. You'll see my diet. It's pretty disgusting, but today we have chicken, a lot of corn that I'm trying to get out. Ow, it's splashing all over me. And then some broccoli. I don't know if you're supposed to cook corn and broccoli and boil them all at once, but whatever. It's veggies, they're frozen. They've got to just cook together sometime. So today's the day to do it, I don't know. Tell me that this doesn't look at least a little bit appetizing. You've got all the greens that you want in front of you. Some barbecue sauce on the chicken. Come on. This actually might be my finest work yet. I'll be very honest with you. That's where the bar is at for my cooking. This might be the best food I've ever made. Alright, so it's currently 4 o'clock now. Ate our fantastic meal as you guys saw, but we're live on YouTube. Live streaming every single event. We got the WSOP $400 deep stack event today. GG Poker cash on the side. Little chat on the left over there, on the right. Wow, I don't know my left and rights. But I'm gonna live stream for a little bit for the rest of the next few hours at least. And we'll check back in with you guys, let you guys know how this tournament goes, and then probably gonna hop in some cash after the live stream, but this might be a long one to deep stack. Bro, all right, so update. We busted the tournament, but bro, it's like 10 o'clock right now. It is the most windy and lightning out. It's crazy. I don't know what's going on, but this is the little sketchy part where I walk from my place to the Wynn Encore right there. We're in like a little, not the nicest like church parking lot around, but yeah, this is the one little sketchy walk every time I go to the Wynn. Looks very nice. It's so windy. There's Resorts World as well. don't even know if this audio is usable, but we're gonna meet up with my buddy Justin, and we're gonna walk the strip, but it's lightning out, it's super windy, there's a car coming, but we'll keep you guys posted. I don't really know. Usually I start and play a session, but honestly I'm happy to take a break today and not have to play a cash session after busting the tournament after playing for about 5 hours. So we'll see, meet up with Justin here, but right now, not the best walking the strip weather. It's like fucking trees are blowing sideways and there's no rain yet. Something's weird going on. Justin, 5 minutes in. What's going on here, bud? What is happening?
Literally, I'm addicted.
Nice to see you.
Good to see
Let's
you,
gamble. Gamble, gamble.
Rig the machine. Let's go. Oh my god, it was 1 off 9.
Oh, you picked 9?
Yeah.
Oh, I love 9's my favorite number too. Oh yeah. When are you gonna start doing 1340 cowboy hats? Because they're selling.
I'm down.
There's only 3 left.
I'm down if someone's buying, you know? Fuck
All right,
it.
you heard it here first. 1340 and Rampage cowboy hats.
Collab.
The way to go.
What a collab.
Yeehaw.
No need for the card protectors. Cowboy hat.
Yeah, they don't sell as much as the cowboy hat. Drop the cowboy hat emoji in the chat, in the comment section below, and we'll launch something.
People at a bar.
What is going on? You have any clue what's going on?
Oh no, let's start coughing and shit to make it.
I'm about to cough with all this smoke in my fucking lungs. God damn it. So welcome to DGen hours.
I think I've paid off somebody's whole salary tonight. Jesus Christ.
But you know what's good? We're gonna go
haven't-
DGen some 5, 10, 20.
I haven't committed to the L yet, so I'm not down yet.
We're actually not down that much money because it's not actually locked in.
Because if I just called it a night, went to sleep, I'm down.
L.
We're not there yet.
We're gonna play some 5, 10, 20.
Ethan is my hard money loan bookie right now, unfortunately.
There's not that much money there.
I only brought like a few $100, so I had to resort to my loan sharking friend to help afford this.
We gotta hit the ATM soon. But we're gonna go play in 5, 10, 20.
At least I was paying off my debts too as I was playing.
You were. This was really good. So you'll see the vlog soon.
Can you
Late
imagine,
night.
Can you imagine someone playing poker and after every hand they win, they give the chips back to the person? Because that's what was happening.
Oh brother. Oh brother. Let's run it up. 5, 10, 20. Had a few drinks. This probably actually isn't the smartest bankroll decision, but it's good for content. So
how am I playing? I'm not even good at poker.
what are you talking about? Oh, you play 2. You can ring 2-5, right? 2-5.
I need another loan then. God damn it.
Fuck. This fucking guy. Sell some more hoodies.
I know.
Hurry up.
I came here to have some beverages with you tonight. Of course, this happens.
Yeah, blame it on me.
I wanted to get a happy dad tonight. And now that I see, I'm down like way too much.
Whatever irresponsible decision happens, you'll see it on the vlog soon on the poker channel. Hopefully enjoy it. 10K punt bankroll rebuild is still in effect. This might not be the best for
wait,
it.
look at this. It's a fight.
Oh, okay. We're not.
Let's fun. Chill.
And
Let's chill.
Hey, y'all want to see a bitch? Let me good right here, folks. What y'all do something? Y'all want to get him? You want to bust him out, dude? I'm not even drinking. Chill out, dude.
Vegas, baby.
So
Because,
I'm down money, but I'm not down like that.
we're not down that bad. They're down pretty bad.
That's down bad in
Sounds
ways
like-
I didn't know you can be down.
Sounds
bad.
like they lost a house.
Brother,
probably
he
something
lost
like
fucking $400 and he's trying to fight
It
people
smells
on
like
the street.
piss. Oh my god. Welcome to the streets of Vegas. It smells like piss. Alright, see you guys in the next video. Welcome to the day in life. Irresponsible poker vlog coming soon. That's it.
Am I really playing 5, 10, 20 with you?
I don't know. It's up to you. It's whether you're a bitch or not.
Okay, I need 5K.
Let's get it. See ya.
This is like one of the more recent ones.
We'll pull this bad boy, but
Yeah, we know.
so far, session's going well.
I have no like.
I feel like
YouTube vlog coming up sometime soon. Just follow on Rampage Poker. I'm sure you guys already know the deal, but it's a good time so far. Good game.
You want to swap this hand with me?
Let's sweat it out.
I just started working recently, so I haven't
It's not.
Nice.
Yeah.
Is it me and the
You guys work at the place right now?
Check.
Well, like, we were shrinking at our ESP company, they have this one.
I'm gonna make it 100.
Let's do it.
Okay, he bluffed me apparently, but
One open seat, 1 2
I didn't bluff you.
One seat open for
you said you had king queen. That's like a bluff.
It's not a bluff.
Yeah, it's just like big exciting for
Just happy to get it in.
I really want to
Make it 200.
over, I just have my account, a couple $100,000 with Case, like JPD Morgan. They're actually up, they're like up like
If you win this,
11%
Portillo's is on you.
in like 2 months.
You have a king?
Yeah.
So do I.
just not like, I don't know, I don't like,
Chop
Chop
it
it.
up. Suck out.
King 9 was the
Justin with the
queen.
suck out.
Like that?
Always.
6 is good.
Very good at it.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
All right, this
Let's go all in.
this vlog's a shit show, but you guys want to watch this one? Rampage Poker, subscribe, all that fun stuff. Let's get it.